Hi guys, come back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about Admiralty Law, self-ex and tertiary self-ex. When property is lost at sea and rescued by another, the shore is entitled to claim a self-ex award on the self-ex property. There is no left self-ex. All mariners have a duty to serve the life of other importers without stipulation of rewards. Consequently, self-ex law applies only to the saving of property. There are two types of self-ex: controlled self-ex and pure self-ex, which is sometimes referred to as the marriage service. In contrast, service, the owner of the property and software enter into a service contract prior to the commencement of service operation, and the amount that the software is paid is determined by the contract. The most common service contract is called alias open form service contract. In Brussels, Wales, there is no contract between the owner of the goods and software. The relationship is one which is implied by law. The seller of property under pure service must bring his claims for service in court. PS will award service was upon the merit of the service and the value of the service property. Pure service claims are divided into high order and low order service. In our high order service, the seller exposed himself and his crew to the risk of injury and loss or damage to his equipment to service the massive example of order service are boarding a sinking ship in heavy weather, floating a ship which is on a fire, raising a ship or boat which are already sunk, or towing a ship which is in the south away from the shore. Low order service occur where the server is exposed to little or no personal risk. Example or law of low order service includes towing another vessel in climate sense, supplying a vessel with war or pulling a vessel of a starboard, sulfurs performing take order service receive consubstantial creative effects over than this performing low order service. Right. In both high order and low order service, the amount of the seller's award is passed first upon the value of the property itself if nothing is served or if additional damage is done. There may be no award. The other factor to be considered are the skill of the solver, the process with the solver's property was exposed, the value of the category which was raised in affecting the solver, the amount of time and money spent in the solver's operation. A pure or mid-selfish award will seldom is 15% of the value of the property service. The attention to the truth in the case of treasure self-ex because on treasure has generally been lost for hundreds of years. Will the original owner or insurer, if the vessel was insured, continue to have an interest in it? The sulfur or vendor will generally get the majority of the value of the property, while concept from the Spanish mines such as Nuestra Senora and the Atochaca in the Florida case are the most commonly struck of type of treasure salvage. Other types of ship include German submarines from World War II was which can hold valuable historical artifacts. American Civil War ship there was maple leaf in the Station River in the Sierra Virginia is a Pegasus Point, and soon commercial ships, the Central American of Heteros, have all been the subject of treasure service award. Due to requirement in size scanning sources, many ships which were personally fishing are now being broadcast and the service is now less risky and further than it was in the past, although it is still highly speculative and expensive. Wait. Next, international convention. Prior to the most international convention concerning maritime trade and commerce originated in a private organization, the maritime law is now as the Common Maritime International Maritime Community in the CMI was responsible for the drafting of numerous international conventions, including the Hague Rules, International Convention of West outlined the Frisbee Amendments amending the Hague Rules, the Service Commission, and many others, while the CMI continues to function in an arbitrary capacity. Many of its functions have been taken over by International Maritime Organization (IMO), which was established by the United Nations, but did not become truly effective until the IMO, who has prepared numerous international conventions concerning maritime safety, including the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, the Standard for Training Certification and Waiving, the International Regulation for Preventing Collision at Sea, Collision Regulation, or Current Maritime Pollution Regulation, International Aeronautical and Maritime Search and Rescue Convention, and others. The United Convention on the Law of the Sea, define a theory regarding protection of the marine environment and various maritime boundaries. Restriction on international fisheries such as international covering for the regulation of whaling also form part of the body of convention in international waters. Other commercial conventions include the National Convention relating to the limitation. Okay. Wis di?
Keras.
Oh, yang bagus. Langganan saya bagus. Lihat video. They are the owners of going obscure laws. Okay guys, this is partition about Admiralty Law. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And see you next time.